Miss Blankenship.
I'd like to thank you all for coming to the first annual Constitution Day celebration at our courthouse steps, and for the participation of our churches and within our homes and throughout our county. People are ringing bells. Throughout our country, people are ringing bells. Today, at every state capital in the United States of America, in the same moment, people adjusted their time zones so that bells would ring to commemorate the freedoms that we have under our Constitution. I'm so glad that you're here today. And I also want to tell you that who knows Senator Robert Byrd? Who knew him?
Oh, Lord, yes.
Who did not know him as a constitutionalist, right?
Oh, my.
He knew the Constitution, carried it with him everywhere he went. Dwight Eisenhower made it possible to have Constitution Week. But it was Senator Robert Byrd from West Virginia, who made Constitution Day a holiday. It is the least recognized holiday in the United States, and it should be one of the most celebrated because we live under those freedoms. So it's our goal as the Daughters of the American Revolution Buford chapter in Huntington, West Virginia. It's my goal as their Constitution chair to share information about the Constitution and to celebrate their Constitution on this day. I welcome you, and I hope that you will enjoy Judge Hoke, aka Thomas Jefferson's reading of the Bill of Rights, and just let it sink in how much this means to our freedoms even today. Tom?
Thank you. To the Constitution of the United States of America, the Bill of Rights, be it known that it was ratified December the 15th, 1791. Article 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Article 2. A well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Article 3. No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in any time of war, but in a manner prescribed by law. Article 4. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable seizures and searches shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly addressing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Article 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, or shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Article 6. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial, by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and the cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Article 7. In suits at common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Article 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishment inflicted. Article 9. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. Article 10. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited by it to the states are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. The Bill of Rights.
Thank you so much. And I'd like to also thank the Lincoln Journal for all the support they've given this project for our first annual event. I'd like to see it grow, so share it with your friends and neighbors. And let's, in Lincoln County, shine, because we already do. Let's just shine even brighter.